Guys, we've had a child abduction emergency. I'm not lying. Look.
Our facilities located near Petersburg and station KWN44, operating at a frequency of 162.450 MHz, transmitting from tower facilities near Hansel.
Guys, this is so freaky.
The current time is 1:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Alright, it's about to start playing.
This is an Amber Alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of the North Dakota Highway Patrol. On July 2nd, 2014, at 9 p.m., JAYVANI White Eagle is believed to have been abducted or otherwise endangered. Child information. JAYVANI is described as a Native American female and is 3 years old. She has long black hair, brown eyes, and weighs approximately 35 pounds. JAYVANI was last seen wearing a white t-shirt, pink undershirt, WRANGLER blue jeans, and silver Skechers shoes with a bow tie on top. She was last seen at King Coin Laundromat, 2125 East Air Avenue in Bismarck. JAYVANI may be with Jacqueline White Eagle and Curtis Olson Jr., who may be driving a black 2000 Toyota Tundra pickup truck.
Our cell phone's also not off.